If you like to eat or use your laptop in bed, an overbed table is an excellent addition to your room, at home, or in a care facility. Stick around to see how you can benefit by using an overbed table. An overbed table is a simple solution for those who enjoy working or eating from bed. It can also be helpful if you're recovering from an injury and are forced to stay in bed. Overbed tables are a great way to maintain your comfort. The name overbed table can be a little misleading at times, since they also work great with your favorite couch or chair. So if you're wondering if an overbed table is right for you, you're in the right place, as we're going to go over everything you need to know about overbed tables. Let's start with the basics. What is an overbed table? An overbed table is an adjustable table that is designed to roll over a bed and provide a flat and stable surface. They typically have lockable wheels, which allow for easy maneuverability. An overbed table provides a hard, ergonomic surface that can be used when working on a laptop instead of resting on your lap. They can also be used in hospitals to provide patients with a smooth, flat surface that allows them to eat, work, and hold on to their personal belongings while in bed. At halohealthcare.com, we carry many different types of overbed tables, ranging from a standard height-only adjustable table to tilting single top and double top tables. Each table has its own unique features that will benefit the user in a different way. Choosing an overbed table may seem like a simple task, and it is, but there are a few things that you should consider. What height do you need your table to be? Although most overbed tables are adjustable, they are not all the exact same. Get an idea of how tall you want your overbed table to be before making your purchase. Do you want a tilt-top overbed table? This will allow you to have a more ergonomic angle if you use a laptop in bed. A double-top overbed table is also a great option because it allows for one surface to remain level while the other is tilted. This way you can have your drink of choice and not spill it when you want to tilt your table. So if you're interested in an overbed table for yourself or someone else, check us out online at halohealthcare.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.